Suppose, you are Litan living in the village named Rasulpur. The people of your village have been suffering for want of drinking water. Now, write an application to the chairman of your union council to sink a tube well in your locality. মনে করো, তুমি লিটন এবং রসুলপুরে বাস করো। তোমার এলাকায় লোকজন পানীয় জলের অভাবে কষ্ট পাচ্ছে। এখন তোমার এলাকায় একটি নলকূপ বসানোর জন্য স্থানীয় ইউনিয়ন কাউন্সিলের চেয়ারম্যানের নিকট একটি দরখাস্ত লেখো। আনস মার্চের 10, 2025। The Chairman, Rasulpur Union Council, Jashore. Subject: Application for sinking a tube well. Sir, I have the honor to state that there are about 1000 people in our village. But there is only one tube well in our village. But it is also not working well. So, it is our request to you to allot a new tube well in this village. We are now bound to drink pond water and many of us are suffering from various waterborne diseases. Some are undergoing treatment in our Sadar hospital. We, therefore, hope that you would kindly take necessary steps to sink at least a tube well in our village and oblige us thereby. Yours faithfully, Litan Ahmad. On behalf of the people of Rasulpur village, Jashore.